Your scouting party has not returned, and half of the intruders escaped your guards.
Sorry, mistress. We mucked up.
Until their sanctuary is found, I will take something precious from you every hour that passes. A trinket, a tongue, a limb.
I ain't no use without my limbs. The lad'll make the prisoner squeal soon enough, I swear.
Silence now, creature, or I will silence you forever.
As she turns to you, her thoughts mingle with yours. A cold hand caressing your brain. The chamber melts away to reveal a dark, endless nowhere. In it, you see a vision. The drow listens as a pale-eyed young woman whispers in her ear. One of those the voice spoke of. One of the chosen. The vision fades away.
A true soul? Praise be. Are you here to join my hunt? Interesting. What do you know of this druid? If you were sent here to hunt him, perhaps you can help me. The druid makes his home in a nearby sanctuary where his followers worship a false god. I intend to find it and destroy it. There is a weapon the Absolute seeks. I'm sure those wretches have it hidden away there. We will find it amongst the dead and the ashes.
Her excitement is palpable. She lingers on thoughts of victory, of unbelievers' blood spilled, and of the weapon. She will seize it, in the Absolute's name. You feel Shadowheart's anxiety. The weapon the Absolute seeks, it's the artifact that she carries. The same one that protected you as you entered the Goblin camp. Her mind focuses. The cultists cannot discover that the weapon they seek is within their grasp. She is seeking the grove you visited. Already you feel her mind closing around yours.
My patience wears thin, true soul. The hunt must begin. Destroying it will demonstrate our power. Soon, all false gods will cower before the Absolute. I would expect nothing less. Together, we shall burn it to the ground. And when we destroy the trappings of this false god, the Absolute will reward us with such power. The last I sent did not return. Dead at the hands of those they seek, no doubt. I would take greater pleasure in killing them myself than in sending them to die in the woods. And the occasional mass execution does wonders for discipline. We captured a human who knows exactly where it is. He's been resilient, but he'll talk. You are sure? And how did you find it? Praise be. And now, through her will, you can be my eyes.
Her mind enters yours. A splinter of ice piercing your memories. Tiefling faces flicker into view as she attempts to learn the grove's location.
Destroying this place is the Absolute's will. Would you defy her? Your connection to the Absolute is strong. But do not think it will protect you if you cross me. Go. Serve our god as you must. But when your work is done, I will be waiting. Together we will burn that place.
No prizes for guessing what this weapon they're after
The village
really
to the
is.
east. I do not have time for interruptions from underlings.
As she turns to you, her thoughts mingle with yours. A cold hand caressing your brain. The chamber melts away to reveal a dark, endless nowhere. In it, you see a vision. The drow listens as a pale-eyed young woman whispers in her ear. One of those the voice spoke of. One of the chosen. The vision fades away.
A true soul? Praise be. Are you here to join my hunt? Interesting. What do you know of this druid? Perfect. This grove is There is a weapon the Absolute seeks. I'm sure...
Her excitement is palpable, and of the weapon.
Show me the grove.
Her mind enters yours. Images of the battle at the gate shimmer into view, along with the adventurers pleading to be let inside.
I see only fragments. Your mind is confused. Do what you must to clear it. How many raiders do we have? I trust you have cleared your mind. I hunger for battle. We must find the sanctuary. So close. Their fate is sealed, and you will be instrumental in the slaughter. Go to their refuge and make your way inside. As a friend. I will gather a raiding party and move into position. You will open the gates from the inside when the time is right to strike. We will cleanse the place of infidels and burn it to the ground in the Absolute's name. And then we will be the first among her favorites. Good. Marshalling the goblins is no simple matter, but my warband will be ready to attack by next light. You must make your way inside. Once I am in position, on your signal, we break them. And when they are dead, the Absolute will reward your faith. As will I. For the Absolute. Gather the raiders. It is
Yes,
time.
your ladyship. We won't let you down.
Come, we have found our prey.
Leave no tracks.
Over here.
Is that blood? No, never mind. Swift as my feet can carry me. Always room for more.
Eager for battle. Unseen.
without delay.
Trust no one.
On my way.
Wits and blades, always sharp.
Shouldn't have wished to live in more interesting times.
Keep your distance, darling.
Best be on my way.
Fail me, the spiders will feed on your bones. When we reach the grove,
It's gonna be a massacre.
Come on.
Oh, enough waiting. I crave blood. Quickly then.
All's well that ends. What's next? Not as bad as it could have. What path lies before me?
Glad you made it. There'll be more coming. Goblins hunting maybe. The sooner we leave for Balder's Gate.
Better be cursed.
Hit it again! Keep your hands steady, 3. Again! Make it squeal again. We're juicing it up. The beast's taking here with those robbers that killed Dick and me too. Boss is thinking of serving it to the orcs. And it makes funny noises. We made it squeal. Look, you'll see. Give me that rock. I'll show you. Yes, of course.
A shadow swims across your vision, and a familiar voice tells you to be calm. You are loved.
I want to hear it squeal. What? That's a true soul talking to. Show some respect. Sweet Mum, I'll open the cage for you.
The bear sizes you up, wary but not yet attacking.
Taste my fury. My God, true.